Hello, it's so good to be back. Tim and I had a great time away camping in Strathcona and in French Beach over the last couple of weeks. The best part was swimming in the cold mountain-fed waters. I think I caught a little bit of Wim Hof fever when I was away. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Melissa and I've been teaching Hatha Yoga since 2002 and here on this YouTube channel once a week since 2009. And if you're a returning student, welcome back. I appreciate your loyalty and presence here over the last 10 years. Thank you so much for practicing yoga with me here each and every week on Fridays at 9 a.m. Pacific. So let me tell you what you can expect this September from Yoga with Melissa. We're going to be going back to once a week yoga videos so that I can put the majority of focus on our membership community. So to that end, this Friday, September 6th at 9 a.m. Pacific, we're going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to be holding a webinar and it's going to be called the Untapped Gold Mine of Yoga for Digestion that virtually nobody knows about. If you are working at that time, then you can still sign up and we'll be able to send you the recording for this. And it's limited to 100 people, so be sure to sign up for that at melissawest.com/webinar. Now, let me tell you who this is for. If you suffer from food intolerances, celiac, Crohn's, colitis, IBS, leaky gut, bloating, constipation, diarrhea, indigestion, overeating, obesity, excess weight around the center of your body, slow metabolism, also lack of energy, fatigue, lethargy, heaviness in your body, chronic stress from past trauma that leaves you feeling unable to transform or assimilate food or experiences, more or less meaning that it's difficult to transform from traumas or challenges. If you suffer from worry, stress, and anxiety, basically unable to stomach what's happening in your life, depression, feelings of hopelessness, helplessness, inadequacy, and self-doubt. If you have an overactive mind or too much energy in your head, if you feel worried and ungrounded, or maybe fuzzy or obsessive thoughts, all of these are reasons to come if you comfort eat or you eat to overcover your anxiety. All these reasons are good reasons to join us for my upcoming webinar called the Untapped Gold Mine of Yoga for Digestion that virtually nobody knows about. I'm so excited to share this with you. So we're going to talk about what specific yoga for digestion is going to help you receive nourishment from the abundance and sweetness of life, also to harvest and digest life's challenges more easily, to have more energy, to produce neurotransmitters to heal stress, anxiety, depression, and overwhelm, to be grounded and centered and embodied and balanced, and also to receive love and emotional support from others, and to have clarity of mind that will help you to integrate information more easily. So if all that sounds good to you, then go to melissawest.com/webinar to register. It's this Friday, September 6th at 9 a.m. Pacific. Now, the rest of the month here, we're going to be focusing on the Attention Economy series. September the 13th, I'm going to teach a class that speaks to the way that wearable tech is really numbing our interoceptive abilities and our intuition. So that's the ability to be able to feel and trust our body's wisdom from the inside. September the 20th, I'm going to teach a class focusing on how the attention economy indoctrinates us to believe and behave in a way that we have scarcity of attention. In truth, the practices of yoga and meditation help us to develop the capacity of steadiness and mindfulness. September the 27th, I will teach a class on the deception of immediacy in the attention economy. We are conditioned to believe that we can have whatever we want, whenever we want, and quickly. However, the truth is these practices, yoga and meditation, they're slow and developmental. Now, before I tell you about the amazing things that are happening in our membership community in September, I know some of you have told me that you have no plans to join our membership community and that you prefer to support us, Yoga with Melissa, Tim and I, through donations. And for those of you who want to donate to us through September, here is what we have. Our videos are freely given, but they are definitely not free to distribute. We have about $1,000 worth of equipment in our Amazon shopping cart right now. And if each of you were to donate even just $1, we would easily be able to cover our immediate needs for production. So let me tell you a little bit more about that. On our list is a $240 8 terabyte hard drive to back up our videos. Videos take up so much room on hard drive space. A $350 gimbal to get really smooth shots for Yoga with Melissa. An $80 light box for when we go back inside to film in the winter, and a $177 light to put inside it, and a $30 replacement battery for our video camera, because video cameras, honestly, they eat batteries and we always need new batteries. And I just thought I would let you know, for those of you who like to donate, what we need for donations this month. So thank you so much for all of you who donate. Now, for those of you who are interested in supporting both yourself and us with our membership community, if you suffer from any digestive issues, any mental health issues such as anxiety or depression or overwhelm or overthinking, you definitely want to join our membership community this month if you are not already a member. I just dropped 6 brand new Yoga for Digestion videos for our members. They're a combination of beginner and intermediate yoga classes all around the 20-minute mark. So the beginner diaphragmatic breathing class will oxygenate the cells of your digestive system and massage your digestive organs so that they work optimally in just 20 minutes. The beginner self-massage for digestion is incredibly beneficial for digestive stress, constipation, bloating, colitis, and irritable bowel syndrome. And I like to do the massage that I teach in this video. It takes about 5 minutes in the morning before I even get out of bed, just to free up my whole body for the day and to help me get started on the right foot. This is also just a 20-minute video. I'm so excited about the intermediate to advanced myofascial release for your digestive system using the 9-inch inflatable ball. Honestly, you could scour the entire internet looking for how to use this ball, or you could come and use my 25-minute video on how to specifically target your digestive system step by step with some moves that you have probably never seen before. So this is amazing, this video. And then my beginner Hatha yoga class for digestion is part of my intention to populate our membership community this year with short videos for beginners. This video is a simple 20-minute video with easy poses to compress and elongate the organs of the digestive system. The intermediate Hatha yoga flow for digestion is another short 20-minute video that was inspired by my recent enthusiasm to have fun when creating choreography for yoga classes. It's a great class for digestive issues like IBS as well. And then finally, the 20-minute Qigong Hatha flow yoga class combines one of my favorite influences, Qigong, with yoga. And I think one of my students, Allison, describes this class best. Here's what she has to say about it. I love the beautiful, flowing, twisting movements in this class. And I also love the names of the movements, like Pebble in the Pond and Draw Down the Heavens, heart emoji. I find the movements in Qigong classes really resonates with me. The flow feels so feminine in my body, and it leaves me feeling free, grounded, and centered, absolute bliss. This practice totally takes me out of my head and leaves me feeling calm, nurtured, and at peace and balance. So our members will also meet on Sunday, August 15th for a live indulgence 2-hour yin yoga workshop. So let me tell you a little bit about this workshop. It's a indulgence, earth element, and integration, assimilation. It's a gratitude for the nourishment and sweetness of life. So after harvesting the nourishment, breaking down our food and experiences into digestible bits, once the spleen and stomach have transformed and transported the energy of our food and experiences, then we pause to integrate. So it's now time to harvest the lessons and digest the gristle of life. So when we're unable to assimilate our food or experience, we may overeat, feel needy, collect excess baggage in the form of obesity, resentment, or hoarding. We might overthink our experiences without breaking them down. We might be stingy with our attention for others. We may be able to give nurturing, but we might not be able to receive. And we may just lack gratitude for the sweetness of life. So the final stage of the earth element is harvesting and assimilating life's lessons. So here we'll assimilate the nourishment from our food and the challenges of life. So by pulling and pressurizing the earth element spleen and stomach organ meridian systems, we're going to be able to fully digest not only our food, but our life experiences in this yin yoga workshop. And our advanced members will be applying for and heading into our 5 elements, earth element course this month. So I'll tell you quickly about that too. We will come together as a Sangha, a community, to be centered, grounded, and balanced in the earth and each other. The earth element and collective learning and practices allows us to come together to be sustained, embodied, and to experience deep abundance and a sense of homecoming. So for 6 weeks, we'll receive our collective harvest, digest and transform what we've received, transport through the alchemy of chi, and assimilate the nourishment and abundance of the earth element. So we do this through weekly Dharma talks and discussion, through contemplation of poetry, one of my favorite things, through daily connection with the earth, with daily walks, daily yoga practice, daily meditation practice, contemplation practices around receiving, digestion, alchemy, and nourishment, time and community. So if you'd like to join our community, I will provide a link in the description and up here or here, up here. And of course, we would love to have you as a subscriber to our channel if the Attention Economy series resonates with you as well. And also remember to go to melissawest.com/webinar to register for our digestion webinar on Friday, September the 6th, 2019 as well. Namaste.